Make sure to stay until the end. Most of the times you can fix it without replacing it, and we will explain how. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo with a multi-air engine guys, and you need to remove or replace variable timing solenoid, the multi-air solenoid. Stay with us, we'll explain what else could be causing that problem and how to fix it guys. All that will be covered in this video today. Sometimes you don't need to replace them, and the bad news is if you need to replace one, you have to replace the whole brick, the whole assembly, but good news, most of the times you don't need to, and we will explain how you can try to fix it first. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So specifically guys, we have a 1.4 turbo Abarth engine on that Fiat 500, but that's the same engine that will be used in multiple Fiat and Alfa Romeo models. I think at least 6 Fiat models and 4 Alfa Romeo models, but even if you have a different multi-air engine, the procedure will work about the same. What is the multi-air? It allows independent variable timing on each cylinder. On the intake valves you can see that's one solenoid for cylinder 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. If you have codes or problems with those solenoids guys, bad news, okay, is that you have to, if you need to replace one, you will need to replace guys the whole brick. It's known as the whole assembly right here. Good news, you can often save it, and we will explain how. Okay, most people will not try that. I'll recommend to do it. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, that's the brick guys, that's the solenoids right here. Now if you have problems and codes relating to that, what can activate that? Number one, having the wrong type of engine oil. Not having the right type of engine oil, okay, can easily set this one. Number two, check the oil level, make sure that it's the correct oil level. Number three, you have to inspect the oil filter and make sure the oil filter guys, okay, is good. I'll recommend to replace it with original filter, because oil filter that's loose or it's not working correctly, it's sparked up, it can cause guys, okay, not enough oil pressure being delivered to the variable timing solenoids, and that can set a code as well. Number four, you have a special little filter which is known as multi-air filter, and it's located under that timing cover. You can kind of like see, okay, let me see if I can focus, that little hole right there, that's where it's located. You remove the timing cover, you remove that filter, clean it or replace it, and that can often fix a problem as well guys. Now what causes usually Vvt solenoids, variable timing solenoids, to fail? Using the wrong type of engine oil, driving your car with engine oil for a long time without changing it guys. It's recommended to change it often, and that can, something like that can really help you doing engine flush. Engine flush is amazing. Leaky moly stuff is practically magic guys. I've used that, we've used it on a Porsche Cayenne with 190,000 miles, and when we opened the engine it looked like new. The video is, we have a video that does leaky moly engine flush work. Check it out. I think it's on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. It can show you the results, but trying to flush the system often can clean the variable timing solenoids, and that can fix the problem in some cases as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.